Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Yesterday I left you a video with one marinade for 2 times cooking, 2 different days, and today I leave you the recipe for this one pot cooking into the oven. We're gonna make a layer with the onion, a layer with potatoes, and we're gonna top it with our chicken, bake it, and let the magic go. So I hope you like it, and if you do, remember, leave your like behind the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you like it. So I wish you a nice journey. Take care. So as I just said, we are gonna add a little bit of oil to the bottom of our pot, and we're gonna add a layer of onion. This time I'm using red onions. You can also use white onions if you like to. I used the ones I had, so it's just as easy as it is. After that, we are gonna add a layer of slices of potatoes. Try to make them even, not too different sizes of the potatoes, so that they get all cooked. It's all raw. They were good, but we don't want like one centimeter, one half centimeter, because the cooking time will be different, and maybe are some potatoes they are not gonna cook. So I try to make them the same measure, or of course around. After that, we're gonna top with our chicken. You remember I split it into 2. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt now, of course. I split the chicken into 2, and this is the second part of it. We are just gonna top it and just go to the oven. This time I'm using the air circulation and 180 degrees for around 45 minutes. And if you think it's still not good, depending on your oven, you can put a little bit of heat just from the bottom to the top, like maybe 10 minutes. Or if they are not, the color is still not the one you like, you can also use the grill function and to give a little bit of color to your chicken. So look how my one turned out. It was very easy to prepare. Cooking one day for 2 different days. I'm just gonna serve it on a single plate, everything that I can get the potatoes and the onions mixed together, and our chicken on the other side. So everyone, I hope you like it. If you like it, just leave your like behind the video. It also help us, the content creators, to help us with this crazy algorithm from YouTube. So take care, and I wish you a nice journey. Cheers.